this place is awesome. This is an awesome find. Look at these acorn seats.
An acorn.
Look at
Watch out
that.
for the squirrels.
Oh, that's amazing.
They're gonna try to get me.
Let me see if I can sit down too. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice. Comfy acorns.
We should get some of these for the house. Can you imagine just like watching TV? Be like,
Acorn lounge.
you need some help?
Calm down.
Oh no.
Hit my bone.
Yeah. I'll put it in my pocket. You ready?
Yeah. Oh.
I
I feel like I'm 10.
You're like 10.
It's great. She's good now. She's got the momentum.
She's good.
She can use her body.
It looks super fun.
It is fun. My inner child is very happy right now. You guys, I got new shoes.
Oh yeah, check those Adidas.
Actually, they were in the last video, so never mind. They're comfortable.
Oh my god, I'm going so high. You know what?
You are going pretty high.
Have you guys, when you guys used to swing, did you ever want to like go all the way around in a circle?
Oh my
Did
god.
you ever want to do that?
That sounds so dangerous.
I know. It's another play space.
Oh gosh. You always jump. Like that's your kid move is a jump. Yeah, we're gonna find out apparently. Oh, don't do that. It's hot.
I might do it actually.
Oh yeah? Okay, hold on.
Here we go.
Wait for it. Wait for it.
It's a little wet.
All right. Well,
Oh my god, it's hot.
I told you it was gonna be hot. Oh my god. That squeak at the end.
I got like slide burn.
Oh no.
All right.
Big kids don't try that at home if you're oversized on the slide.
Tree or tripod? Can I eat them?
So no.
Oh. I would never eat them. I was just being funny. You can make wine with them.
Can't do anything. Don't pick them. That's what the sign says. Oh. It's a cool lookout. We're always finding lookouts. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the lookout.
Let's get to it.
Let's go.
Look at that. Doesn't that look like Microsoft Office, sort of like a Windows background?
It looks like a background. It's very nice to look at.
Wow, this is awesome. Guess what I just found?
What?
Come here. Pan over to the right. There's a game camera
Oh,
right there.
look at that guy.
It's watching us. Check this out.
What is that?
It looks like a piece of like granite or like fossilized wood or something. You see it?
Interesting.
See it shiny?
Yeah, it looks like granite.
Yeah, it looks awesome. I don't even know what that's from.
It's weird that that's just in the middle of the trail here.
Yeah.
It's kind of random.
Look at this. That's awesome looking. That's a cool rock.
Shiny.
What do you guys think? What is that? Piece of granite, probably?
Yeah.
I want to keep it.
No, we're gonna leave it.
Are we?
Yeah.
Dang, that's
Okay,
awesome.
fine. You can keep it.
It could be a piece of meteorite or something.
All right, we can keep it.
I
You
don't
get to
know.
carry it.
That's definitely not meteorite. I don't know what that is. I don't know. We can leave it. But it is cool, though. It's awesome. I'm a geologist.
You're a what?
I'm a geologist. I study things. You know, I'm a scientist.
That's what you do.
Is this the way?
This is the way. For added visibility.
Watch out, lovely, there's cars.
Can we please?
What?
Look at this. What, left and right, put maps in for added visibility. Use the flag as you cross.
Oh, heck yeah, let's do
I
that.
feel like I'm doing it. You want me to do the flag?
Yeah.
I'm the baton holder?
Yeah, so you want me to do it? You want to do it?
I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
People are slowing
Go.
down for us. Let's go.
Go. You gotta wave it.
Wave the flag.
Wave the flag. Wave the flag.
Mayday.
Surrender to us.
So interesting. I've never seen that before, ever.
Oh, wow. Look, guys. We're here at number 7. We just crossed this road with our flag. And then we are going to go all the way out to this overlook to the beach and the bay. It's going to be awesome.
We're going to see turtles. Look, sea turtle nesting season, May
Whoa.
1st through October 31st. That would be awesome.
Yo, how did you find this so perfectly? This is like...
It was a random stumble upon.
You know,
Like, let's go somewhere.
Let's talk about how sometimes we literally spend all week trying to figure out what we're gonna do, and then there comes like this moment today where we spend 2 minutes, and then it's like, whoa, this place is amazing. Whoa, I can smell the beach.
Like the beach. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
What a good reveal.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. This is great.
Dang. Oh,
I didn't expect to go to the beach, but here we are.
me neither.
Here we are.
Wow.
I wonder where the sea turtles make their nest. I wonder if they're like up in
They're
there.
probably guarded. If there was a nest
Oh, you're right.
and they
There'd
knew
be
about it,
stuff around it.
there would be tape.
You're right. You're so
This
good.
is awesome. Oh, look, there's the turtle's nest
What,
right there.
You think this guy's like it?
Yeah, I bet you that's the turtle's nest. And there's another one straight out, about 100 yards.
Yeah, I see that one. See what it says. It probably has a
See this right here, guys? I believe this is a turtle's nest. When you see them on the beach, they're usually guarded. Like I said, they're like they would be taped off. Look, there's a little yellow tag. Yep, sea turtle's nest.
little baby turtles coming out. That'd be cute.
Wow, check out this beach.
I don't have the right view color right now. But that's
I should have kept my Buc'ees.
pretty nice beach.
This is a really nice beach.
I like how like flat it is.
Yeah.
The water's not overly like beautiful color-wise, but like the beach itself is nice. I like how just like packed the sand is. It's not like crazy.
Yeah. You look, we even got surfers out here. Whoa. Ah, it feels great. Lovely. Today would have been an awesome day to go to the beach.
Oh, now it is. Unexpectedly.
Unexpected.
Here we are.
Oh, wow. This is a cool surprise.
Yeah.
We love these outdoor days. They're so important.
Yeah.
You know, especially right before you start the week. And we're just finding an amazing place today. And then this water, everything. Oh, I can't even tell you.
This tree is A, massive, and B, designated and historic because it's obviously super old. There was a sign in the front that said it's like hundreds of years old. It's like, if I like stretched my arms out, I couldn't even wrap like half of it. It's that big around, guys. And I'm 5'3" for reference, so it's a big tree. Not that I'm tall, but it's still a big tree.
Justin's little camera.
Goods. Satisfying. One water.
One water. Do you want to get two?
2 waters.
2 waters. Ah, it's hot. Oh yeah, we do have that.
It's a little Buc'ees duck. It's very confusing because it's beaver and duck at the same time.
That would be perfect with our current collection.
Oh, the one we have of rubber duck.
Yes, we have a bunch of rubber duck collections that we got from.
My God.
Nah, we don't need it. We got everything.
Oh, this is a cool thing, actually.
Oh wow, that one is cool. Here they are. Look, they have my size. Check it out. Can you imagine me rocking the beaver?
It's a onesie, guys.
Giving it the beaver head, the hood. I'll tell you something. This is stylish. On my Christmas list.
Santa.
Santa. You like that one?
Yeah, this is cool. I like it. It's like athletic. It's like fuzzy on it.
Yeah.
Felt.
Another Christmas item?
Santa.
Santa.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Click. Ding. Chopped brisket sandwich. So let's take a look, see how it is. Oh, just taste good. There we go. Do that taste. Looks messy, but delicious. Opened it upside down. See
Check it out.
Some brisket goodness right there.
Lots and lots of brisket goodness.
Brisket goodness.
And I got the sliced, not the chopped this time. Never had the slice. I'm anxious to see how this one compares because that one's pretty good. We've had it before.
Yep.
And that's a go-to. But wanted something just a little bit different. So check it out. Oh, there's some barbecue sauce coming out. Look at that slice.
That looks good.
Ooh, big, thick, tasty, tangy slices of brisket. It's gonna be good. We're gonna check these out. For those of you who know me, I devoured that sandwich in less than 2 minutes flat, and it was absolutely delicious. The slice was as good as I hoped it to be.
Yeah.
The meat had great flavor, and I think the advantage of it is you get more of that texture, whereas it seemed the chopped,
it's like you focus more on the barbecue and less on the smokiness.
And there was more sauce.
Good. Yeah, definitely more sauce on the chopped.
Yeah, so I mean, I think they both have a fan base.
Yep.
I'm
preference.
still gonna go with the slice. Mine didn't feel like it had much on it, but I actually went and grabbed the one that was under the heat lamp instead of looking for the bigger one because they're all $7.99 for sandwiches, no matter which one you get. So I think if you're gonna go there, just make sure you're getting one that's in the lamp, getting one that's hot, but also one that's a little plump because either way, $7.99 is the price. Get your money's worth on whatever you want. But it was good.
Great
it was
lunch.
Delicious, great lunch. Buc'ees for the win as always. Well, it looks like that is going to wrap up our adventure weekend.
Yeah.
And it's been amazing. It's been fantastic. I mean, we got to see you dance, we got to explore, we got to go out of town, we got to adventure and go to Buc'ees and have some barbecue and some fudge. But the sweetest thing is this girl, guys, and can you believe she is got a birthday this week? It's gonna be extra amazing. any minute now. So I'm just kind of like being quiet. I'm ready. We're gonna have fun, even though it's just me and the cats. That's all that counts. Hey, that's the best. We're our boys. We're her boys. So her boys are about to do a cool party surprise, and we're getting it lit up in here. So I gotta keep it quiet, even though there's music. Let's see how surprised she is. Surprise!
Oh my goodness. Where is he? What did he do? He's crazy.
He surprised her.
He surprised her. Crazy. Oh, look at this. You did a good job.
He did a little bit of a thing.
This is cute. Bers has got party lights going.
I know.
I see you being innovative with your lights.
I was.
That's cool. 30, 30, 30.
All right, here we go. It's been an amazing weekend thus far, and thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around for BersLyf. Thank you for being Bersy with us, because we're gonna be Bersy on our way back. Being Bersy, being Bersy, being Bersy. Off and out.